Good day. Today I'm going to discuss to you about my pre-lecture on my chosen philosopher, which is Jonathan Sanford, of his book Before Virtue: Assessing Contemporary Virtue Ethics. Sanford argues that modern ethics has lost touch with the true meaning of a good life, unlike Aristotle's virtue ethics, which emphasizes responsibility, community, and moral principles. He critiques individualism, explaining that true freedom isn't doing whatever we want, but fulfilling our purpose as social rational beings. Virtue helps us make choices that benefit both ourselves and others. Sanford also highlights the lack of a strong foundation in modern virtue ethics, refreshing Aristotle's idea that everything has a purpose. While the book's deep philosophy may challenge some readers, its insight on morality and responsibility are valuable. Before Virtue is a thought-provoking call reconnect ethics with human flourishing. On Bandiola's critiques of my book on my philosophical riches is first, the introduction clearly explains Before Virtue and its focus on the gap between modern and classical ethics. And my response of this is that Sanford highlights the gap between modern and classical virtue ethics. According to Buckle, support this nothing Aristotle's link between ethics, community, and politics, which Sanford critiques in contrast to modern individualism. And the second point, the discussion of virtue ethics is well done, linking human nature, social responsibility, and freedom. And my answer of this is that Sanford sees virtue ethics as communal, aligning with Collins. A modern example of individualism will help, but Foslem supports his views that virtue goes beyond character to social responsibility, refreshing a flaw in modern ethics. And the third point is that the critique of individualism is clear, showing how it limits our understanding of freedom. And my answer of this is that Sanford argues that individualism limits freedom. Long, according to Long, sees true freedom as fulfilling our rational social nature, while Breivik links it to self-mastery. And the fourth point is that the analysis of metaphysics is insightful, but the paraphrasing of the foundation and understandable perspective could be clearer. And my answer of this, Sanford addresses the weak foundation of modern virtue ethics. According to Russell, notes many theories lack a solid base. And I appreciate Mr. Bandiola's thoughtful critique of my analysis Before Virtue by Jonathan Sanford. His feedback highlights both in strength and areas for improvement, especially regarding virtue ethics, individualism, and metaphysics. Below, I address his concern with additional insight. And that will be all. Thank you, and God bless.